Doves in the wind, pussy like doves in the wind. Adrian, swish. I really wanna lay back with you all night. Sweatpants and a full glass. Real talk, you are on mine. When I text, boy, you call back. I'm the one that you fuck. But fuck it, I'm the one that you love. Girls in the club that ain't good enough. Get hot with me now. See smoke when we puff, yeah. I got you. Looking at me saying, baby, I want you. Lighting the flame, you tell me my name. You pass me the blunt and I do what you want to. Take a breath, hold it in. Set sheets on my skin, clothes off, turn your phone off. Got missed calls all night, damn, where the hell have you been? You were right here with me, so often I got you a key. Unlock the door, let me down on the floor, and tell me you like what you see. In love that we trust, the feeling is better with lust. I wish we stick with our bodies, my baby, get on me, shut me up, I'm talking too much. Lately, I feel like I wanna be with you. Baby, I can't help but tell you that it's true. Lately, I'm in love with everything you do. If you only knew, if you only knew. Lately, I feel like I wanna be with you. Baby, I can't help but tell you that it's true. Lately, I'm in love with everything you do. If you only knew, if you only knew. I really wanna lay back with you all day. Couple shots at the crib. I kept refusing to tell you I love you, but baby, you know that I did. I said no labels, it's easier thinking that we could be friends. But don't let me catch you looking at no women, I just cannot take it, you know what it is. I'm not perfect, but you swear that I am, no. I'm not perfect, but you swear that I am, no. Said I'm not perfect, but you swear that I am, no. And I promise you see me through all the shit that I'm going and been through. Remember the first time you fucked me, the first time you held me, the first time you bought me a meal. Remember the first time you touched me right under the table, that feeling still gives me the chills. You're not perfect, but I swear that you are though. You're not perfect, but together we are. Baby, I feel like I wanna be with you. Baby, I can't help but tell you that it's true. Lately, I'm in love with everything you do. If you only knew, if you only knew. Lately, I feel like I wanna be with you. Oh, I do. I can't help but tell you that it's true. Lately, I'm in love with everything you do. If you only knew, if you only knew.
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, my name is Brianna Cole and I want to thank you guys for watching. So you guys see me customize the wig and all that jazz. And this is the wig. It's from Alimong Hair. I believe that's how you pronounce it, off Amazon. This is 16-inch closure, 18-inch, 20-inch, and 22-inch. So the closure is 4x4 and this is a loose wave texture. And also it was 2-day shipping because it was from Amazon. I love it. 2-day shipping, you can't go wrong with that. So yeah, so with shedding and tangling, I really don't receive any. I receive some tangling, but shedding I don't receive any. I did at the beginning, but that's because when I made my wig I cut the wefts, and so that makes shedding occur. So but now I'm not really getting any. I got a couple pieces right there. But yeah. So that is it for this review. If you have any questions, comment, concerns, let me know. Comment down below because I answer you. This was a pretty quick review because you guys see me customize the wig and everything. So thank you guys for watching again, and bye guys.
I would wait for your boss. Don't be